Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel, where we unlock the secrets to success and financial freedom. Today, I've got something special for you. We're diving into the lessons from a book that has changed the lives of millions. Are you ready? Let's get started. Lesson 1. The importance of financial literacy. Kiyosaki teaches us that being financially literate sets the foundation for success. It's not just about making money, but also understanding how it works, how to make it grow, and ultimately becoming financially independent. Lesson 2. The power of assets. Kiyosaki highlights the difference between assets and liabilities. He shows us that by acquiring income-generating assets, we can create passive income streams, leading us closer to financial freedom. Lesson 3. Mindset matters. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of adopting a wealthy mindset. It's about changing our perspectives, overcoming limiting beliefs, and adopting an abundance mentality that attracts success and opportunities. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Lesson 4. The power of education. Kiyosaki teaches us that education never stops. It's not just about formal schooling, but also continuous self-education, investing in personal growth, and staying ahead of the game in ever-evolving markets. Lesson 5. Building a strong financial foundation. Kiyosaki guides us through the importance of having smart financial habits like budgeting, saving, and focusing on building wealth rather than simply chasing a paycheck. Lesson 6. Taking calculated risks. Kiyosaki encourages us to step outside our comfort zones and embrace calculated risks. He teaches us how to recognize and seize opportunities that can potentially create massive wealth. Lesson 7. The importance of networking. Kiyosaki highlights the power of building strong networks and surrounding ourselves with like-minded individuals who can support and inspire our financial journey. Lesson 8. Embrace failure as a stepping stone. Kiyosaki reminds us that failure is not the end, but a valuable lesson. He teaches us to learn from our mistakes, adapt, and keep pushing forward towards our financial goals. Lesson 9. Giving back to society. Kiyosaki advises us to use our wealth and success to make a positive impact on others. By giving back, we not only create fulfilling lives but also attract more abundance into our own lives. Lesson 10. Continual growth and evolution. Kiyosaki teaches us that achieving financial freedom is not a destination but a lifelong journey. It's about constantly growing, adapting, and evolving our financial knowledge and expertise. And there you have it, the top 10 essential lessons from Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Are you feeling inspired and ready to take control of your financial destiny? Remember, knowledge is power, but action is what truly brings results. So go out there, apply these lessons, and let's make our financial dreams a reality together.